Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how you can take a screenshot by your Word document. So friend, this is very unique and very easy tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you how you can take a screenshot by your Word document. Okay, so friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we're uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, let's see our Word document. So friend, here you can see that this is my Word document, and here I want to take a screenshot, and that screenshot I want to put over here in my Word document. Okay, so what I will do, we simply click on this top first. Okay, and then simply click on this insert tab which is available on the menu, and then find out the screenshot option. Okay, click on this drop down arrow and then simply click on this screen capture option. Okay, so I want to tag this image only. Okay, so what I will do, select properly this image, and then friend, you will see that that screenshot photo is showing over here. Okay, so friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can take a screenshot by your Word document. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.